Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 69 Chevelle with a GM Performance 572 under the hood. You are gonna love this car. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can check out how nice the bottom is. We're gonna look at that 572. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 572 Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. Love the color on the car. It is popping orange, looking great. We've got great looking chrome on the front bumper. The grill's in beautiful shape. Just an amazing looking car. And did I mention it's got a 572 under that hood? That hood is fitting slick. Those lines are looking straight. Great looking set of wheels and tires on it. That's kind of the smoked chrome. Man, they look good. That door's fitting good. Love the black stripe going down the side. And the stainless here looks good. Paint on the roof, beautiful. Look at those reflections. I mean, look at that. It is beautiful. Look how nice and smooth that door opens up. Heck, even the buzzer's working. I'll grab the keys out of there so we don't have to listen to that. We got good looking upholstery on the door panel there. Good looking upholstery on the seats. Carpeting's looking good. Center console stock with the staple shifter. Back seat, there's seat belts back there. Headliner looks good. Dome lights working. Great looking steering wheel. Tack mounted to the steering column. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. 3-pack of gauges under the dash so you can read all your vitals. Great looking trim here. All the lines on the deck lid look good. All the chrome on the tail lights looks good. The lenses look good. The chrome on the back bumper looks good. The emblems, that panel there looking awesome. Look inside the trunk here. Look at that, beautiful in there. Trunk floor looks good. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Those wheel wells look great. The whole trunk floor is looking awesome. We've got a spare tire in here for you. We've got good looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. The lips here are nice and clean and nicely painted. The gutter here looks good. I even see part numbers stamped in there. When you look down the side of it, look how straight that paint job is. Look how nice that door fits. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this Chevelle. So you can bet we spent some time and checked the car out before we bought it. Then when it gets here to the shop, we inspect it so we can answer any questions you have about the car. Now we've got about 230 cars in stock and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of them out, so I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take this Chevelle for a ride. 572 power under the hood. I'll tell you what, when you look up in the dictionary the definition of badass, there's a picture of this car in there. This thing is amazing, guys. That 572 crate motor is my favorite. You want to talk about horsepower and sounding great, running great. Just an amazing piece they built. Now, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and Tom will tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, if you want some help with financing, Tom can help you out with that too. You just give him a call. He will take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing but make a phone call and Tom will take care of it. Now we're right outside the Motor City and we're really easy to get to. If you want to fly in and check out the car in person, we'd love to have you. Even though about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, we love to have our customers come in and check out the inventory. I just love to see people's eyes when they walk in the showroom and see all those badass muscle cars. Now, this car is sounding great. You can see down here on the dash, the speedo is working, the tach's working. Then we got a 3-pack of gauges down here for all the important stuff. It does just have the AM radio in it from the factory, so you're gonna have to listen to that music coming out of those tailpipes and that 572. That's what I do in my car. My car's got a radio in it, but I don't think I've ever turned it on. Get out here behind the UPS truck. Looks like he's turning. We'll stay out here. Listen to that thing. I mean, I am just touching the accelerator and away you go with this baby. So check us out on Facebook often. Check us out on YouTube. We've always got new inventory coming in. We're getting between 40 and 50 new units in every month. Always got new and exciting stuff coming in. So keep an eye on us. We're coming up on our shop now, and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. Here's one of our covered carriers right now getting ready to deliver somebody's dream to the driveway. Take a look at that Daytona coupe getting ready to head out. Now we're about to do something that we don't do. Nobody else on the planet does it. We're gonna put it in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna get under the hood and check out that 572. All right, we're underneath this 69 and she is pretty under here. Look at that, brand new tank, 3-inch stainless exhaust. Floor of the trunk, bottom side's all painted. Frame looks good, drop downs look good. 12 bolt here. It's got all Hotchkis stuff back here, the lower and upper control arms and sway bar. 373 gear in here. Looks like the springs are new. Posi. We got brand new brake lines here. Looks like brand new drums also. And the guys will pull them apart, make sure they're in good working order. Magnaflow mufflers, why she sounds so good. Low end of the frame is what you always want to look at on a Chevelle. This frame looks great. We got brand new brake line running front to back. We got brand new fuel line running front to back. Looks like the parking brake cable's new. Floorboards are beautiful. It does look like it's had a new floorboard put in it, and it has been painted and it's looking good. Car's got X-pipe on it. It's got long tube headers. Turbo 400 trans here. We will put an inspection cover on the torque converter, and it does have a mini converter on it. It's got an aftermarket oil pan on it that's holding some extra oil for you. We've got disc brakes up front. Looks like the ball joints were replaced at one time. Cross member looks in beautiful shape, and it has got a gigantic sway bar in the front with some good looking bushings there. Steering gear looks new. Fuel pump looks new. Balancer looks new, of course, at GM Performance 572. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. We got some good looking wheels and tires on this thing. These are American Racing wheels, not a mark on them. Nitto tires, 235 45 17s up front. Always look at the bottom side of the front fender. That is beautiful. If you can get a finger up there and feel around how nice and smooth the metal is, that tells you it's in good shape. And always look at this pinch weld. That's a telltale sign. Feel the back side of the rocker. It's nice and smooth. It's looking great. Out back here where the horsepower is meeting the road, we got 275 40 17s again on these good looking rims, and there's not a mark on them anywhere. And also feel this lip right here where that inner wheelhouse comes to the quarter. That's nice and clean. Just be careful of those screws there because they're sharp on the other side. And I'll bet you don't know how I found that out. Ouch. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, GM Performance 572. I don't know if it gets any better than that, guys. These things are way over 600 horsepower, and they're probably underrated because it will rip the tires off the back. It's got the GM bow tie single plane intake on it. Of course, the GM Performance aluminum heads, HEI distributor, big tube headers, late model setup here on the belts. This is all serpentine setup here, late model alternator and power steering pump. Everything's polished up, looking good. Power brakes, power steering, I already said that. Looks like those are hooker headers. Firewall's nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. And her wheelhouses look good. Big old cross-flow radiator in it. The car is amazing. She's a Chevelle. It's been upgraded to a 572, guys. I love it. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.